Hey friends, Catherine here. I'm going to try something today that I haven't done before, but I am pretty sure will work. I have got some washable markers here. I have got a paintbrush, and I've got a cup of water. So we are going to draw in our sketchbook. I've already actually sketched out a queen bee onto this page, but we are going to go back through with our markers and color her in, and then go over our washable markers with water to see if we can't wash them out a little bit. We'll see how it goes. We'll try it out, see how it works. That is it. That is a queen bee painted with water-soluble markers. I like her. What do you think? Do you like her too? I am surprised with how well she turned out. I was debating whether or not I wanted to do a solid outline on her in micron pens before I colored her in with the markers, and I'm definitely glad I didn't. I am very happy with the watercolor washing in and out look that she ended up with. I think it's fantastic. If you liked it too, definitely let me know. I'm always glad to hear from you. And if you have ideas of things that you'd like to see me try, definitely know that too. I'm always open to suggestions. I love trying new things. It's one of the best things I think that I can do. It's one of the best things available in the world to try. And if you liked what I did today, definitely let me know. I already said that. That's silly. And remember to subscribe, and I will see you all another day. Bye.